Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful kind of shell blanket with the borders. We are gonna make the border together, so you don't have to be an expert on crocheting. You can be a starter, because borders nearly always the hardest part, especially for my patterns. Actually, they're not hard to make, but when you start to make a border, it could be a little bit hard to collect the loops from the sides without any loops, okay, without any stitches. And for this one, you're gonna make it all together. When you complete it, you can use it directly. So beginners can make this one. And it's 70 centimeters square, a newborn blanket. And for this I use this yarn. One ball is 50 grams and 100 meters. It's wool and category 4 yarn. I use 300 grams. It doesn't need so much yarn for a newborn baby blanket. 300 is actually really less yarn for a blanket. It's budget friendly. And for this one I use 5.5 millimeter hook for all of it. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can find the button somewhere under here. It's totally free. We can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this blanket, we will need multiples of 4 plus 1 only one time. I'm gonna make 121 chains. I made 121 chains. If you want to make it bigger, just add 4, 4, 4 as you like. And don't forget, we are gonna make the border while we are making the body. We are gonna make all together. Skip this first stitch, okay? I'm gonna use this back bumps because we will make the border. It will look better with this way. Yarn over, skip the first one, insert into the next, grab the yarn, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all. That's a half double crochet, and we are gonna put 1 half double crochet into each stitch. Keep repeating till the end. Then you complete the row. Chain 1, turn. For the row 2, insert into this first stitch, first yarn over, insert, grab the yarn and make a half double crochet. We used both loops here, and starting from here we are gonna use only back loops for the border parts. You see? Oops. You cannot see. That's the front loop here, and that's the back loop. We are gonna use these back loops and make half double crochets for the borders, instead of first and last stitch. For them we are gonna use both loops. Yarn over, insert into the back loop, make half double crochets. Repeat this all along. Almost at the end. And that's the last stitch here. I'm gonna insert into it and make a half double crochet, chain 1, turn, and make a half double crochet. If you are a beginner, you can put a stitch marker here, so when you turn back you will know where is your last stitch. This one. Now I'm gonna make 2 more rows with back loop only, half double crochets. Then we are gonna make the body of the blanket. Just make 2 more rows, meet you at the end. Now I complete 4 rows. Now we are gonna start to make our stitch. I chain 1. First make the border. We are gonna make 8 half double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Now skip 2 stitches. Into this 3rd stitch we are gonna make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Into the same stitch we will make 1 more double crochet, then chain 2, and into this same stitch we will make a single crochet. Insert without yarning over, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, all into same stitch. Skip 1, 2, 3. Starting from here we are gonna skip 3 stitches, and into the 4th we are gonna make 2 double crochets, 2 chains, and 1 single crochet. Skip 1, 2, 3 into the next, 2 doubles, 2 chains, and a single crochet. Repeat this till this last 10 stitches. I made the last one and I have 10 stitches left here. Now skip 2, and starting from the 3rd I'm gonna make back loop only half double crochets. Chain 1, turn, and this will be our repeat row. Make 8 back loop only half double crochets, You see these 2 chains, insert into here, make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and a single crochet. Skip all of here into this next 2 chains space, put 2 doubles, 2 chains, a single crochet. Repeat this all along. I made the last one into this 2 chain space. Now starting from here, we are gonna make 8 half back loop, only half double crochets. Don't count this one, okay? Don't let this confuse you. This one is this double crochets stitch. Since we turn our work for each row, your stitch will be on the back of your posts. And that's all we're gonna repeat for this blanket. I'm gonna turn back, make the border, then into this 2 chain space, make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 1 single crochet. Make it as long as you want, then we will meet again. Okay, I made it bigger. I didn't count the rows, but it will be a 70 square blanket. You see, that's where I started, that's where I am now. I made a chain and make the ribbing. Okay, once we reach here, we are gonna make single crochets, not half double crochets, okay? You see, there's a single crochet stitch, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. Into the single crochet stitch, I'm gonna make a single crochet. Into this 2 chain space, I'm gonna make only 1 single crochet and 1 here, 1 here. Okay, that will make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you remember, we started with 121 chains and have 120 stitches, and we have 8 here, 8 other side for the ribbing. If you take out this, it will be 104 stitches. If we put 4 single crochets for each shell, we will have 100 stitches here. So we need to add 4 more stitches, and I'm gonna make, instead of 1 single crochet, I'm gonna put 2 single crochet into this 2 chain space for 4 times only. I'm gonna make one of them here, okay, 1, put 2 here, 1 and 1 more. So I made 5. For the next, I'm gonna make 4 And next I'm gonna make 4. And you will repeat this. I'm gonna put the next one somewhere here and somewhere here and somewhere here. I'm gonna make 5 single crochets instead of 4, and I will have 104 stitches. Then I will make the ribbing part. I'll meet you when I turn back. I turn back here, made this ribbing part, and we have single crochets. We are gonna make half double crochets, back loop only, half double crochets for 3 rows, including this one. Okay, when you complete this, you're gonna make 2 more rows and we will complete the blanket. And that's all. I just used some iron steam. You can also block it and it looks fabulous right now. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Pinterest, Ravelry. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.